All right, part 16, January 15th, afternoon here. And this went through a major metamorphosis this morning. And it's going to turn into more of a mixed media, multimedia, mixed media. I'm going to attach this, which is from a linocut I did some years ago about Primo Levi, the late Italian-Jewish chemist and Auschwitz slave labor survivor, an internationally renowned author. So I'm going to, thinking of attaching it like here. That must be chemist in Italian, thinking of how the Germans, the Nazis, set up gas chambers in different death camps, both in Germany, Austria, Nazi-occupied Poland. Okay, I'm going to draw either some small sea monsters here or insects. And I'm going to do a bit more work on the cap. This is also from the Primo Levi linocut print, and I'm going to I think it works well right there on the cap. All right, to be continued. Did we get a chirp over here? How are we doing, Dr. Chi? Huh? My main art critic. In the studio, that is. Okay.